Understanding Steady Deterioration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might encounter in various contexts: steady deterioration. Understanding this phrase can help you grasp the nuances of the English language, especially in more complex discussions. So, let's break it down together and make it as clear as crystal. Steady deterioration consists of two words that are powerful when combined. Steady means something that is constant, unchanging, or happening at a regular pace. It implies reliability and consistency over time. On the other hand, deterioration refers to the process of becoming progressively worse, declining in quality or condition. When we put these two words together, the phrase paints a picture of something that is getting worse at a consistent, ongoing rate. To better understand steady deterioration, let's look at some examples. Health. The patient's health showed steady deterioration over the months, requiring more intensive treatments. Environment. The steady deterioration of the coral reef has raised concerns among marine biologists. Relationships. There was a steady deterioration in their relationship, leading to their eventual breakup. Infrastructure. The bridge has been in steady deterioration and now poses a safety risk. These examples help illustrate how the phrase can be used to describe various situations where something is gradually getting worse over time. Understanding the phrase steady deterioration is crucial for several reasons. It allows you to accurately describe situations where there's a gradual decline, whether it's discussing health, environmental issues, relationships, or structures. Being able to articulate such changes accurately is essential for clear communication, especially in formal or academic contexts. When you want to use steady deterioration, consider the context. It's perfect for situations where you need to describe a gradual decline in quality or condition. It's often used in more formal or written English, so it's great for essays, reports, or formal discussions. Remember, using precise language like this can help you convey your message more effectively and show a deep understanding of English. We hope this exploration of steady deterioration has been enlightening and will help you use the phrase confidently in your conversations and writing. English is a rich language full of nuanced phrases like this, and mastering them will greatly enhance your fluency and expression. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.